Ever experienced the dreadful sight of water dripping through your ceiling? When things go wrong with bathrooms or showers, they go really wrong. Help prevent disasters by applying some proper waterproof protection with the all-in-one Dunlop Shower Waterproofing Kit. The kit has been especially designed to make the job of waterproofing a shower area quick and easy. Use prior to fixing wall tiles to make a watertight barrier for sensitive backgrounds, wall angles, corners and fixtures. Begin by applying the primer to clean dry walls using a roller or brush and leave until touch dry. Using a paintbrush, apply a layer of coating to any areas where there are joints. Joints can be in the form of wall corners, along the shower tray or floor junctions, pipe penetrations, outlets, or any other joints in the background. Cut the tape to the joint length and push into the wet layer of coating, ensuring no voids are left beneath the tape. Form a continuous strip around the shower tray, slightly overlapping as you go. Apply a second layer of coating over the tape and remaining wall areas to the required height using a brush, roller, or trowel and leave to dry for 24 hours. Once the coating is dry, you can begin the tiling process using a suitable Dunlop adhesive, such as RX3000 waterproof wall tile adhesive. Complete the job using GX500 flexible grout, which is available in 8 different colors, with matching FX90 silicone sealants. Need help planning the materials for your project? Go now to dunloptrade.com/job-build. Simply select the surface to be tiled, the area, background, and tile type. Specify the area and tile dimensions. Then just pop in your email address and we'll send a shopping list direct to your inbox. All that's left to do is collect the product from your local Dunlop stockist. All Dunlop products carry a 10-year guarantee, giving you complete peace of mind and confidence in our products. Guarantee the life of the shower whilst adding value to the property. No leaks, no callbacks, no problems. Plan your project with our Job Build tool at www.dunloptrade.com/job-build.